Hello there. Added an Uber gift card by mistake or just want to remove it? Here's the deal. Once a gift card is added to your Uber account, you can't remove it. But don't worry, I will explain what you can do instead. Uber automatically applies gift card balances before any other payment method. So even if you have added it, it just sits in your account until it's used up. If you go into the Uber app, tap on your profile picture, then wallet, you will see your gift card balance right there. But there's no option to delete it. What you can do is add another payment method like a debit or credit card. And once your gift card balance is used up, Uber will switch over to the next option automatically. And if you are not planning to use the balance soon, consider using it on Uber Eats. Yep, it works there too. So while you can delete a gift card from Uber, you can just use it up and then go back to your regular payment method. Hope that clears things up. Hit that like button if that helped. And subscribe for more simple tech tips.